In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and create an account in the Perplexity app. Getting started with the Perplexity app is quick and straightforward. Whether you're using Perplexity for the first time or you're returning to an existing account, the app makes it easy to create a new account or sign in within just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through both processes so you can start using Perplexity without any confusion. To begin, open the Perplexity app on your device. When the app launches, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. From here, you'll have the option to either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. If you're new to Perplexity, select the option to create an account. The app will present several sign-up methods, such as continuing with a supported account provider or signing up with an email address, depending on the options currently available. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts on the screen. If you're creating an account with an email address, enter your email when prompted and complete the verification process if required. If you choose a supported sign-in provider, simply authorize the request and continue through the prompts until your account has been created successfully. If you already have a Perplexity account, return to the welcome screen and select the sign-in option instead. Choose the same sign-in method you used when you originally created your account. Enter your login credentials if prompted, then complete any verification steps that may appear. Once your account has been verified, the app will sign you in and take you to the main Perplexity home screen. From here, you can begin asking questions, exploring conversations, organizing your searches, and accessing the features available with your account. If you ever have trouble signing in, double-check that you're using the same sign-in method you originally selected when creating your account. Using a different provider may create a separate account instead of accessing your existing one. After you've successfully signed in or created your account, you can customize your profile, adjust your settings, and begin exploring everything the Perplexity app has to offer. And that's all there is to creating an account and logging into the Perplexity app. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and once you're signed in, you'll be ready to start using the app right away. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,